Hi, Duke faculty.
We are Duke Learning Innovation.
You may not have known much about us before last year,
but we're the ones who wrote the flexible teaching guides,
who sent you all those weekly updates,
who answered your questions at office hours,
and more. We hope you felt supported as you transitioned to emergency remote teaching last spring and online or hybrid teaching this academic year.
As we congratulate our graduating seniors,
we want to recognize you
and congratulate you for an incredible year.
You persisted and amazed us with your ingenuity and your commitment to your students.
You used humor,
virtually brought in guests,
used current events as teaching opportunities,
learned new technologies,
and transformed what teaching and assessment can look like at Duke.
As you enter this summer for a well-deserved break,
we just want you to know that even though you may hear from us less frequently,
we will still be here for you.
Thank you for all of your hard work this year.
And we'll see you next fall.